Narito ang isang halimbawa ng binary to decimal. 100,101. Binary convert to decimal. So, ibaba natin yung 100,101. Tapos, gamit tayo ng ruler na 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, i-cancel natin yung may mga 0. Tapos, add natin yung mga number na may 1. So, 32 plus 4 plus 1. So, the answer is 37. Narito naman ang isa pang halimbawa ng binary to decimal. 110,110. Binary to decimal. So, baba natin yung 110, 110. So, gamit tayo ng ruler na 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, cancel ulit natin yung may mga 0. Tapos, add natin yung mga number na may 1. So, 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2. So, the answer is 54. Dumako naman tayo sa binary to octal. So, meron tayong 111, 0, 1, 0, base 2, convert to octal. So, para makonvert na siya into octal, group natin yung binary digit into 3. So, meron tayong 111 and 010. So, para makonvert na siya into octal, gagamit tayo ng ruler na 1, 2, 4. Sa kabila naman is 1, 2, 4. So, dito is nagamit natin lahat yung 4 plus 2 plus 1. So, equals 7. So, kakansela natin yung may mga 0 kasi ang magagamit lang natin is yung 2. Yung may mga 1. So, i-combine natin yung 7 and 2. So, ang sagot is 72. Ito naman isa pang example ng binary to octal. Meron tayong 101 base 2 convert to octal. So, baba natin yung 101. Gamit tayo ng ruler na 1, 2, 4. So, cancel lang natin ulit yung may 0. So, magagamit lang natin is yung 4 plus 1. So, the answer is 5. So, binary. So, dumako naman tayo sa octal to binary. To binary. So, meron tayong 63 base 8 convert to binary. 63 so, natin yung 63 base meron tayong 6 and 3 to so, gamit tayo ng ruler na 1. So, pag-iwala natin yung 63 magiging 6 sa kabila and 1, 3, 2. So, para makonvert natin siya into binary, gagamit ulit tayo ng ruler na 1 natin ng 2, 0 yung mga number na natin gagamitin and 1 sa mga number na gagamitin natin. Gamit tayo ng 1. So, gamit lang natin is 4 and 2. Kaya yun lang. Yung may 1, lalagyan natin ng 1 sa kabila. 2 and 1 lang natin para makuha yung 6. So, magagamit natin is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So, yun lang may 1. Sa mga number na hindi magagamit, lalagyan natin ng 0. Sa 3, ang magagamit natin is yung 2 and 1. So, ang binary digit natin ay 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So, ito pa ang isang example ng octal to binary. Meron tayong 377 base 8 convert to binary. So, paghihiwalay natin yon, meron tayong 3, 7, 7. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng ruler na 1, 2, 4 sa lahat. So, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And 1, 2, 4. So, sa 3, ang magagamit lang natin ay 2 and 1. So, sa lahat, magagamit natin to. Kaya, 1, 1, 1 lahat. So, cancel ang 0 kapag nasa una. So, ang sagot is 1111111. Dumako naman tayo sa hexadecimal. To decimal. So, meron tayong A, B, C. Base 16, convert to decimal, base 10. So, baba natin yung A, B, C. So, mumultiply natin siya. So, 16 raised to 2. A times 16 raised to 2, B times 16 raised to 1, and C times 16 raised to 0. So, ang equivalent ang katumbas ng A sa hexa is 10, ang B ay 11, ang C ay 12. So, equals to 10 times, so ang equivalent ng A is 10, so 10 times 16 raised to 2 plus 11 times 16 raised to 1 and 12 times 16 raised to 0 equals to 10 times 16 raised to 2 is 2,560 plus 11 times 16 raised to 1 is 2,736 plus, so 12, times mo yun sa 16 raised to 0, any number na raised to 0 is 1, so 12 times 1 is 12, kaya plus 12, so 2,560 plus 2,736 is 5,296 plus 12, so the answer is 5,308. The example hexadecimal to decimal is B, base 16 convert to base 10 decimal. Iba natin yung B. So, multiply natin ulit. So, ang equivalent ng B sa hexa is 11. So, B times 16 raised to 1 and 16 raised to 0. So, equals to, ang B equivalent is 11. So, 11 times 16 raised to 1 plus 16 raised to 0 is equal to 3. So, magiging is 11 times 16 raised to 1 is 16 plus 11 times any number na raised to 0 is 1. So, the answer is 11 times 16 is 176 plus 11 times 1 is 11. So, 176 plus 11, the answer is 187. So, dumako naman tayo sa decimal to hexadecimal. Meron tayong 143 base 10 convert to base 16 hexadecimal. So, baba natin yung 143 divide natin sa 16 is equal to 9,375 is equal to 8. Nasa unahan na number. So, para makuha natin yung remainder, itatimes natin yung 16 times 0.9,375. The answer is 15. So, meron tayong remainder 15. So, i-divide naman natin yung 8 sa 16. 8 divided 16 is equal to 0.5 is equal. So, para makaulit yung remainder, times natin yung 16 sa 0.5. 16 times 0.5 is equal to 8. So, meron tayong remainder 8. So, the answer is 15 is equivalent to F, and 8 is equivalent to 8. So, ang pagkuha ng answer is from bottom to top. So, the answer is 8F. Another example. So, meron tayong 1, 3, 5. Base 10 convert to base 16 hexadecimal. So, baba natin yung 1, 3, 5. Divide natin sa 16. So, is equal to 8.4375 is equal to 8. Nasa unahang number ulit. So, para makaulit yung remainder, 16 times 4,375. The answer is 7. So, ang remainder natin is 7. So, i-divide naman natin yung 8 sa 16. 8 divided 16 is equal to, yan, remainder 7. So, 8 divided 16 is equal to 0.5 is equal to 0. Hinasa unahang number ulit. So, para makaulit yung remainder, 16 times 0, 16 times 0.5 is equal to 8. So, meron tayong remainder 8. So, the answer is 7 is equivalent to 7. And 8 is equivalent to 8. So, from bottom to top ulit ng pagkuha ng answer. So, the answer is 87. Tayo sa sum of product. So, meron tayong S times T plus W times X. So, ang operation is addition. So, yun ang sum. Tapos, ang variables is yun ang product. So, ang variables natin is S, T, W, X. The other example is A times B plus C times D. Operation is addition, so yun ang sum. The variables is product. Basta, pag ang operation is addition, it is sum of products. Variables natin is A, B, C, and D. Ako naman tayo sa product of sum. Meron tayong E plus R times Y plus Z. So, the operation is multiplication. So, yun ay product. And the variables is sum. Ang variables natin ay E, R, Y, and Z. Another example is X plus F times S plus P. Operation is multiplication, so product. And the variables is sum. Basta ang operation ay multiplication, yun ay product of sum. So, ang variables natin ay X, F, S, and P. Tumako naman tayo sa resistor label. So, meron tayong red, green, red, And gold. Ang pagkuha ng resistor label is, so first color, first digit ang kukuhanin. So ang first digit ng red is 2, second digit ng green ay 5, the third color is multiplier. So ang multiplier ng red is 100 ohms, and ang tolerance ng gold is positive negative 5%. So combine the 2 and 5, 25 times 100 ohms, positive negative 5%,
25 times 100.
25 times 100 is 2,500 ohms,
Pang positive negative 5%.
5%, or 2.5 ohms, positive negative 5%. This is the final answer. Another example of resistor label is, so meron tayong brown, black, orange, and silver. So, kapag pagkuha ng label ng resistor is first digit ng brown. So, the first digit ng brown is 1. The first digit ng brown is 1. So, the second color is, second digit ng black is 0. So, sa third color is multiplier. So, ang multiplier ng orange is 1k ohms. And sa fourth color is tolerance. So, ang tolerance ng silver is positive negative 10%. So, combine the first digit and second digit. So, 10 times 1k ohms, positive negative 10%. So, 10 times 1k is 10,000. So, 10,000 ohms, positive negative 10%, or 10k ohms, positive negative 10%. That is the final answer.